Hello everyone, again this is Miss Colin, and for today's video guys, I'd like to share this gift from my daddy from Barcelona. Anyway, thank you so much daddy, and thank you for always remembering your daughter. Yeah. Okay, I always love you from the bottom of my heart. uh, I'll never forget you, dad. Okay, thank you so much for this. What is it? First is tester choice. Oh, I think it's a copy, but hold on, wait. There's a bag here. Oh my god. Lens. Chocolate again. OMG. It's a chocolate. I don't know how to. Again, a chocolate again. Chocolate again. My gosh. Chocolate. Wait. Mm. Yeah, it's a Nescafe. I hope I can drink it, but I didn't. Yeah, I didn't drink coffee. How about this one? Oh, Barcelona. From Barcelona. Oh yeah, Barcelona. Yeah, also from Barcelona. Yeah. How about this one? OMG. It's a big coffee mate. Coffee mate. My gosh. It's a coffee mate. I think I can drink coffee with this one. Coffee mate. This is so big, daddy. I- and of course there is a pocket money. Pocket money. There's a money inserted here. Anyway, thank you so much, daddy, for always remembering your daughter. I wish I wish you always a good health, daddy, and mm, let us know someday. Maybe someday we can be together again. Um, for today, we just have a strong communication for any one of us, and you know how much I love you, daddy. Anyway, always take care of yourself. I know you're not getting younger. you're you are always in my heart, dad. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for uh, being always here for me. I know you are far away from me, but in my heart and in my mind, you'll always be my dad, okay? Thank you so much, daddy. I wish you always a good health. Take care always, dad. And I don't want to be emotional, dad. I just want to make everybody happy, okay? So thank you so much, and I wish someday we can be together again. And anyway, thank you, daddy, and I love you. Thank you so much, and thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. This is a gift from my dad. Anyone? Anybody wants the chocolates? Chocolates. Yeah. Oh man. Collection again. Thank you, Daddy, and I love you. Thank you so much, guys. Again, this is Unika Saki, Miss Colon, saying thank you and goodbye.